everything. Joke. Hello guys, welcome again to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Janine, Medal, Christy, Imnida. My name is Medal Bicraze and welcome again to my channel. And this time guys, I will teach you how to put glow to your drawings. Yes. Like this, this, and this. So guys, sorry if my voice this time is not very clear and I have many pimples or outbreak. I am so lazy this time. I didn't set up everything and I use only my cell phone and this light. Yes guys. And until now, there is coronavirus outbreak or COVID-19 pandemic. I mean pandemic, not outbreak. So guys, what are we need to make that artworks, or what are we need to put glow to your drawings? First, we need this paper, journal or everything made in paper. Made in paper. And we need pencil or pen. Yes. Then the second one, we need this iPad, phone or tablet. Everything, but it should be touchscreen. Yo. And in your iPad or tablet or phone, you need to download a very special app. This is the app. And you can remove its thumbnail after making artwork by giving 5-star to the web designer. I mean, to the app. Then we need this stylus. If you don't have stylus, you can use your finger. Yes, fingertip. Fingertip. So, I will start now. I will teach you now. So guys, the first we need to do is to sketch something with your pencil. Just draw what you want to draw. So this is my final sketch guys. I copied the ET1 class character or webtoon character in the Google. I draw it. Then after you draw, you need to take a picture of it. Take a picture of your drawing. Yes, example of that is this. Then after you take a picture, you need to go to the app. So, open the app. Create new project. Then photo from my photo library. Then choose the photo. Then you need this stylus. Then put something to it. Example of that is this. Yes guys, it glow. Like that. So guys, the finished product of this work, you can see it to my phone. So this is the finished product guys. It's much better if I didn't use this 360 degree 180 degree lens. I will remove it. Wait. So this is the final outcome. I mean the outcome. Then after that, you can put your own thumbnail. Then finish. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something in this video. Guys, before you stop this video, please help me to reach 1,000 subscribers. Please subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and don't hesitate to like this video and comment down below.